This video examines the Supreme Court case, Pangilinan versus Cayetano, decided on March 16, 2021. It provides a constitutional review of the Philippines' withdrawal from the Rome Statute. The chronology of the case spans nearly 2 decades, starting with the signing of the Rome Statute in 2000, followed by its ratification in 2011. In 2018, President Duterte issued a note verbale to the UN, making the withdrawal effective on March 17, 2019. Petitioners challenged the withdrawal, arguing that it requires Senate concurrence, violates Article 7, Section 21 of the Constitution, and impairs rights to legal remedies. They also contended that Republic Act 9851 had already incorporated the statute into domestic law. The court ruled the petitions moot. They reasoned that the Philippines had completed all requisite acts of withdrawal under Article 127 of the Rome Statute, and the ICC's acceptance confirmed the futility of seeking a reversal. Regarding standing, the court denied the petitioners' claims, noting no actual impairment of legislative prerogative was shown. Furthermore, the Senate did not pass a resolution requiring concurrence for this withdrawal. While the president serves as the chief architect of foreign relations with leeway to withdraw from treaties in the national interest, the court clarified that this discretion is not absolute and is qualified by the extent of legislative involvement. The court established guidelines for future cases. The president cannot unilaterally withdraw if the Senate explicitly conditioned its concurrence, if a subsequent law restricts it, or if the treaty is based on express legislative instructions. The ruling emphasized that withdrawal from the ICC does not diminish human rights protections. Republic Act 9851 remains in effect, and domestic courts continue to retain jurisdiction over crimes against humanity and genocide. Under Article 127 of the Rome Statute, the state is not discharged from obligations incurred while a state party. Investigations started before March 17, 2019, remain mandatory, and preliminary examinations continue to be valid. The court invoked the moot but academic exception, providing guidance because the issues involved grave constitutional questions, were of exceptional public importance, were capable of repetition, and provided necessary direction to the bench and bar. In summary, while the case was deemed moot due to the ICC's acceptance of the withdrawal, the court clarified that presidential power in treaty withdrawal is limited by legislative actions and that domestic legal frameworks remain robust. This concludes our summary of Pangilinan versus Cayetano, covering key points in constitutional and public international law. The images used in this video were sourced from various providers as listed here.